and it's Panda Girl Gaming and more. And today we are talking about LOL. Today we're just gonna be talking about don't know, but today's like challenge is to hit it with your bottom of your ear. So you go with your left side bottom in. So this one. Yay. Yeah, so I wanted to say something in this video, I forgot. Please, I forgot. I'm really somewhere about to stand up my iPad. Oh, I actually forgot to say. You got 5 seconds to that. You ready? 1, 2, 3, go. 5. By the way, with this one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. If you did that, comment down below. Hashtag I did it, and I will answer to as many people as I can. Give you a shout out in the next video. So. Tab. Awkward silence. Well, guys, I didn't just have a bath. My hair's always like looks gross, but it's not gross. Awkward silence. You look like a chicken. What's it really? All I want to do is go to McDonald's. Get a happy meal.